It's a pretty good vantage point to see some flooding. Most of the other roads we're trying to get to are blocked. This isn't blocked yet. Up over this hill is Bethel Pioneer Cemetery. One of my favorite peaceful places. Yep, we got a lot of water. This is not a lake or a river, this is farmland. This is the little bridge. Tiny little creek is now a raging river. Power of water. Listen to that. It's a little wet. This is usually a tiny little creek, only a few feet across. How's that for 360? All right. Well, I think I'm gonna get over this bridge because the rain isn't stopping, and neither is the water.